A very good morning, my dear children. Today we will learn lesson 14, more about animals. So all of you put today's date and classwork. Write down the names of any 4 wild animals and 4 domestic animals in the space given. So children, this one will be your home task. HW. Okay, so what you have to write? You have to write 4 wild animals and 4 domestic animals. Okay, you have to write the name of it. So you will do by yourself. Okay. In class 1, we learnt about different kinds of animals around us, right? Yes. We also learned about their different body parts. We also learnt about pets. Now let us learn more about animals. Children, we see different types of animals around us, right? Some animals are big while some are small. Now here we will read about the pet animals. Okay, so what do you mean by pet animals and who are they? Okay, some people keep cats, parrots or dogs in their homes. These animals are kept for companionship or fun. Okay, the animals which can be kept inside the homes are called pet animals. So in your surroundings you can able to see that many people, they are keeping the dog as pet, cat as a pet, parrot as a pet, and there are many animals. Okay, now let us see their body parts. Okay, so you can see in this picture that this is the body parts of a dog. This is the dog and its body parts are there. So let us first read out this one, then I will go here. Okay, we have already learned that just like us, animals have different body parts. So as we have our different body parts, animals also have the different body parts. Okay, our pets also have different body parts. They have 2 eyes, 2 ears, a mouth and a nose, like us only, right? Okay, dogs and cats have 4 legs. So they have 4 legs. The legs in front are called forelegs and the legs at the back are called hind legs. Their bodies are covered with hair which is called fur. They also have a tail. So children, now let us see here. This is the ear, these are the eyes, nose, mouth, foreleg, hind leg, and this one is the tail. So this is the body part of a dog. Dog and cat have same features. Okay, children, let us see elaborately. Okay, the body parts of a dog. Dog have 2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth. The legs at the front are called forelegs. The legs at the back are called hind legs. Their bodies are covered with hair which is called fur. And at the last, they also have a tail. Children, now I hope it is clear to you all. Now we will read the next topic is what? Animal behavior. Animal behavior means animals' nature. Okay, so all animals do certain things. So what they do? They move, they grow, they eat, they look for shelter. So these are the things the animals do. Okay. So this is the fish. Now all of you see here, animal move. So we will read elaborately. Let us see here. Animals move from one place to another to look for food and shelter. Different animals move in different ways. Some animals walk, some fly, and some swim. Animals who lives on the land, they can walk. Some are fly, means birds. Birds fly. And some swim, means the fish. Okay? Or other animals. So animals like earthworms, snails and snakes move along the ground. Fish swim in water with the help of special body parts like fins. So this is the fin. All of you see here, this is the fish and this one and this one. So with the help of these fins, fish can move. Okay. So birds walk on their two legs. In air, they fly with the help of a special body parts called wings. Children, all of you see here, this is the fish. And fish swim in water with the help of a special body parts called fin. Birds walk on their two legs. So, children, you can see that pigeon is walking. Okay. Now see here, in air they fly with the help of special body parts called wings. The next topic is animals grow. When you were born, you were a little baby. Over the years, you have grown bigger and taller. Similarly, animals are also born as babies and grow bigger. For example, puppies grow into dogs. Kittens grow into cats. Cubs grow into lions. Children, just as us, animals are also born as babies and grow bigger. So here I have given you few more examples. All of you please have a look on it.